Alright, so I probably believe you already know the importance of trading the synthetic indices. Okay, so unlike the main forex market, synthetic indices, there is no news that affect the market. Is purely technical analysis and how you can be able to analyze the markets very well, then execute your trade without any news affecting you. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create a Deriv account whereby you can start trading synthetic indices on your smartphone and on your laptop. All right, so without wasting much time, let's just jump into it straightforward. So when you come to this website, there's a link in the description. You can go ahead and tap on it and you'll be directed to a website like this. So over here you come and create your account. All right, so the first thing that you do is just tap on create a demo account, then you enter your details like your email address, then you tap on I agree to the terms and conditions, then you go ahead with create demo account. All right, so once you've done this, they'll send you a message to your email. Okay, the email address you provided, a message will be sent to that email address. All that you have to do is go to your email address, locate that particular message and follow it carefully, then you will be able to finish with your account. All right, so let's quickly go to the email and check it out. Okay, so here is the mail that I received. All that I have to do right now is to verify my email, so I'll tap on verify and follow the steps carefully. This is just for tutorial sake, so I may not use my details that like my personal details. Okay, so I'm just showing you this so that I can also follow through. So for the country, I just have to choose one country. Probably I will choose Ghana. I'm currently in Ghana, so I'll just look for Ghana and choose Ghana right here. Okay, so I'll click on next. Now the next thing is to select a password, probably a strong password, so let me just choose one password. Okay, alright, I think I'm good with that. Okay, still they say the password is not strong. Alright, let me add one thing. Okay, I think I'm good to go now. Alright, so this is the interface that you have once you've created the account. Okay, this is the interface that you will have. Okay, so they will ask you where would you like to start. Okay, CFDs. Okay, that's what we probably go with. Okay, the CFDs. Now we have real account and demo account showing at the top over here. Now because we want to create a real account and be trading in the market with our real money, all that we have to do is go with the real account option right here. It's been highlighted over here, and this is a demo account, this is a real account. Now all that we have to do is go ahead and create a Deriv account first. Okay, you need a real account, that's fiat currency or cryptocurrency, and Deriv to create a real DMT5 account. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on create a Deriv account. Once you tap on it, you will come to this menu. All right, what you have to do over here, you choose one fiat currency. Okay, you have US dollar, euro, GBP, and you have Australian dollar. So I advise you go with the USD. And if you want to create a cryptocurrency account, you can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, and USD coin. All right, so I'm going to select the US dollar. All right, so the next thing to do is to tap on next. Once you've done that, they will ask you to enter your name and your details. Okay, so I'm probably going to enter some names over here. Just some random name and date of birth, so that you know you have to be at least 18 years to trade in the forex market. So I'm just going to choose a random date of birth that will correspond to 18 years and above. Okay, so quickly let me just do justice to that. Okay, all right, So your telephone number, probably you'll just enter your details. Okay, I just entered my phone number and I'm proceeding. Okay, so the next place is your address, your city, your zip code. The most important things over here is your first line of address and your city. Okay, so you just enter them. Okay, all right, so I'll just proceed from there. The zip code and the states of providence or province, they are not usually that much importance, unlike the city and the first line of address. So I'll click on next to proceed. Now you come to the fourth step, which is a jurisdiction and choice of law. All right, so you just accept these two terms. Okay, you enable them. I am not a PEP and I have not been a PEP in the last 12 months. And the second one is I agree to terms and conditions. Now you tap on add account and your account will be created successfully. That's your USD dollar account. Now you can go ahead and deposit into this account using the deposit button over here, or you do it later. All right, if you want to deposit right now, the options available are this over here. Okay, we had ADV Cash, The Perfect Money, Mastercard, Skrill, FacePay, Neteller, and Jeton Wallet, and the rest. Okay, the Visa card, like if you have credit card, you can use it, like the Mastercard, Mestro. So right from deposits, okay, now you come to this is where you'll be trading your main market. Okay, this is where you'll be trading your main market. We have the real accounts over here. Now you've added the Deriv accounts. You are not done. The next thing for you to do is to enter your details, or to create a particular account. We have synthetic, we have financial, and we have financial STP over here. Now the one that we are going for is synthetic indices. Okay, the one that is not affected by any news in the market. Okay, they just act like the real markets, but they are not affected by any news in the market. So we will tap on add real accounts. Okay, so we have to set a password over here, and this password is what we are going to use to log into our MT5 trading platform when you want to connect this to the MT5 trading platform. So I'm going to enter this password quickly. All right, so I'll just go to set trading password, and let's move from there. Now our account has been created successfully. So you've created the MT5 real synthetic account to start trading, transfer funds from your Deriv account to this account. Now that is how simply it is. Okay, now you have your broker, your server, and your login details over here. Okay, your login details are here. Now all that you have to do is to save these details. Okay, save them somewhere. All right, especially your login detail, just save it somewhere carefully. All right, so I just copied the login detail. Now let's assume you want to transfer funds from your USD dollar account to your synthetic account so that you can trade with it. Just come to fund transfer. Once you come to fund transfer and there's money in your USD dollar account, it will show over here to transfer directly. But right now this is just a tutorial and there's no money deposited into this account, so there's no fund for me to transfer into the Deriv synthetic accounts. All right, so right after doing this, the next thing for you to do is to get or download MT5 trading app or platform from either Play Store, or you get it from Deriv directly. Okay, you get it and you go and connect your account with it. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, so I'm going to head over straight to my MT5 trading platform and connect this account directly. All right, So here I am in my MT5 trading platform, and what I'll have to do right now is to connect the account. Okay, I've already connected some accounts, but I'm just going to tap on the plus icon at the top here, and from here I'll just, if you are new, you may not see Deriv Limited over here, you may not see anything. So all that you have to do is to type Deriv in a search box, then you see Deriv Limited showing up over here, then tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will lead you to this place. Okay, so since you already have a real account created, over here at the server column, choose Deriv server. Okay, Deriv server. Then over there, you, for the login, you copy and paste the login detail that was given over there. That is the number over here. Then you enter the password that you've created. So with this password created and everything, you can log into your account successfully, and it will be connected to your MT5 trading platform. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Okay, network is kind of off at the moment. Okay, once the network is back, you will see it right there. So basically, that is how to connect your account to the MT5 trading platform and start trading the right way using a Deriv broker. All right, so if you want to create the account, the link is in the description. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will lead you to the account registration website, and you will be able to register your Deriv broker account successfully and start trading in a synthetic market. I have a Telegram channel where I send signals out often. It's totally free. You can check the description for the link and join as soon as possible. All right, so I hope to see you in the next video. Bless up.